there are three sides. For any sides, you can draw a parallel to any one of these three sides. Imagine this is a parallel. It intersects at two distinct points D and E. After drawing the parallel, you observe the other two sides. I already explained. For example, it is 5, it is 10. It divides in the ratio 2:3 means here it divides in the ratio 4:6. That was discussed in the earlier. So what about the other two sides? That is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This can be written only when DE parallel to BC. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects at distinct points, then the line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That is called same ratio means proportional. That we discussed in the last class. Okay students, can you tell the formula for this triangle? Here P, Q, R, MN. Here MN parallel to QR. Now, which are the sides going to proportional in the same ratio means PM by MR is equal to PN by NP. So today we are going to solve some more sums regarding this. So before that we have to go to another concept. Two more theories, that is the theorems are. Which are those? ಯಾವುದಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So you remember the statement, if I do the hard work in the examination, I will stand first. If I do hard work in the examination, I will stand first rank. You think about reverse. I got the first rank because of my hard work. In both the sentences, there is pattern is same, but telling is in reverse way. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರಿಂದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇದು 1, 3. ವಾಟ್ BPT ಟೆಲ್ಸ್? ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸೈಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC. P and Q are the points. Here PQ looking like parallel, but I don't know it is parallel. You see the sides. So here 3:1. And I will give another measurement, 9 and 2. You see the ratio. AP is 3, PB is 1. AQ is 9, QC is 3. Is it same ratio? 3 by 1 is equal to 9 by 3. That means AP by PQ is equal to AQ by QC. Then what happens? Sides are proportional. The line divides the two sides in same ratio. It is sides proportional agide. Andmele, what is the relation between these two sides? Then this line, which line? PQ, how it is related? Sides are proportional. Therefore, PQ parallel to PC. Parallel ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ proportional ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here the sides are proportional. That's why these two lines are parallel. We can give another example also. Like this, P, Q, R, C. So this is 1.8, this is 1.2, and this is 1.2, this is 3.6. Measurements. The question is ACM parallel to QR. Check it. You see the sides, whether it is proportional. C. Write the PPT formula PC by CQ. Here PM by MR. What is the length of PC? 0.2 by 1.8. What is the length of PM? 3.6 by 1.2. 18 ones are 18 threes are. 12 ones are 12 threes are. So the ratios are same. So since they are proportional, now this is what? Parallel. So this is called converse of PPT or converse of tails theorem. So write down next question. State converse of BPT or Thales theorem. How BPT states, if a line drawn parallel, here we should write in reverse. If a line, see like this, divides two sides of a triangle at distinct points in the same ratio. Then the line is what? Parallel to the third side. For statement, put inverted commas. See here. In exam, they will ask for one more question. State converse of VPT or converse of Thales theorem. See the words. If a line divides two sides of a triangle, write on the diagram also. A, B, C. This is a line. PQ. It divides two sides. AP by PB is equal to other two sides. That is what? AQ by QC. In the same ratio, then what is the relation of these two? PQ parallel to BC. PQ parallel to BC. Okay. Take down this, the statement and the formula. Don't put arrow mark here because the sides are proportional, then it becomes parallel. While writing BPT, it should be parallel. BPT formula ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So if a line divides two sides of a triangle at distinct points in the same ratio, then the line is dash is parallel to the third side. But we can write BPT other ways also. For example, I will show it here. A, B, C. I told this is 5. That data XY is parallel to BC. This portion is 2. It divides in 2 is to 3. Now it divides in 4 is to 6. This is also doubled. What does PPT tells? 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So this is BPT. Okay. BPT means AX by XB is equal to AY by YC. I can write like this also. AX is the side in this molar triangle. You take the entire portion. What is 2 plus 3? 5. Good. We can write like this also. 2 by, you add this 5. You write the numerator part. Akkade ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾವುದು numerator part, that is smaller side, 4 by. Now I add this 2 plus 3, 5. Here also we should add 4 plus 6. What is 4 plus 6? 10. Is it proportional? Yes, here 2 2s are 2 5. So you get same ratio. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 2. If you cross multiply, then also it is correct. That means this also can be written another way of BPT. Taking smaller side and the bigger part. Here also smaller side and the bigger part. And we can also, here 2 is nothing but what? AX. By the bigger side is what? AB. 4 is AY. That divided by 10 is AC. And also you think about another one. You write on the below part 3, 5, and you take the upper part total length, that is 5. Here also this portion is 6, and you add how much? 10. Here 3 by 5 and 6 by 10. Here also this is what? Proportional. So we can write proportional in different ways. We got an idea. So what is 3 here? Bx by 5 is AB and 6 is CY by 10 is AC. So this is BPT. We can write in other two methods also. So what do you call this as corollary of BPT. We call this what? Corollary of BPT. So we can prove this by taking the BPT. Then we can explain the statement. Okay, question students. P, Q, R, XY parallel to QR. What does BPT explains? Px by x cube is equal to Py by yr. This is BPT. In exam they will give you fill the blanks. They will give Px or Pq by Px is equal to Pr by dash. You should fill up figure. Observe the side here, PQ. This one. This side of a larger triangle. Observe the PX. This is smaller triangle side. PQ ಬಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, PX ಬಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸೈಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, PR ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಸೈಡ್, PY. I think you are clear. I will give another one to try it in the same figure only. X cube by PQ is equal to, they will give box divided by PR. Here XQ is given, so this is this side. PQ is the bigger side, and this is what PR in the denominator. What we have to write in the numerator? Can you tell anybody what is the correct answer? Observe here, PQ is in the denominator, PR is also in denominator, XQ is in the numerator. So same portion ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, YR. This method of writing is called as what means corollary of okay. Okay students, next I want to do one sum. Before that we have to do this. I think you know how to take the LCM of addition. For example 2/3 plus 1 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು, you know, by taking LCM we have to add. 1 means 1 by 1. First take down LCM of 3 and 1 is how much, 3. 3 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cancel. 1 2s are 2 plus here 1. How many times, 3s are 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So this is the method of taking LCM. Similarly, how to do this, A by B plus 1. Okay. Here also take down the LCM, which is LCM B. Here B we cancel, 1 is in, 1 into A is how much, A. Here 1 B's are B, B 1's are B. This is the method of doing the LCM. So take down this note, because this is the method of taking the LCM. Or how to add. Okay. Take down this question students, it's important. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Prove that there are two proofs. First one, AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. The second one, AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Okay, let us do the first one first. Nothing but what we explained earlier by taking the examples. AB is the upper triangle, that is bigger part, DB is smaller part, AC is also upper part, EC is this part. Second one AB by AD, smaller one. AC by AE. Okay, first I will put the first one. See students, here there is a diagram, triangle ABC.
10 minutes.
Okay, triangle ABC. Here DE parallel to what? BC. This is parallel. You write down BPT formula. The formula BPT. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. The reason is the LCM is BPT. Next, you have any equation. I think you have learned in the 8th and 9th standard. If A is equal to B, you add 1 to LHS, RH also we should add 1. If equals are to equal, the whole are equal. LHS can add 1 0, RHS को अदर add 1. For example, 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. Only 4 plus 1 is I will add 1 here. Here also we should add 1. Then only it is equal. Similarly for this, add 1 to both sides. Add 1 to both sides. What happens? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Add 1 plus 1 plus 1. After adding, let's simplify by taking the LCM and simplify. So here 1 by 1. What is the LCM? LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ DB. DB cancel 1 into AD plus 1 into DB into 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ DB is equal to here also what is LCM? EC ಏನಾಯಿತು cancel. What is remaining? AE plus 1 into EC into 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ EC. Okay, I think you understand this. DB will get and you observe the numerator here. AD plus DB. See a diagram. AD plus DB. AD ಮತ್ತೆ DB ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಯಾವುದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೈಡು? AB. ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ AB by DB is equal to ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ AE plus EC. This total side will getting what? ಯಾವುದು AC by EC. I think this is proved. Take it.
Sir, 5 minutes.
So students, we have proved this. Similarly, we have to prove another one. Okay. Yes. I want to prove second one. Okay, we'll prove that. Shall I rub this? Take down quickly. Okay. So we have to do the second one. So here also, to prove second one, same condition. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to what? BC. Write down BPT formula. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Here the numerator should be get AD. So here, if you add plus 1 to both sides, you get the first theorem, first concept. So first you take reciprocal for both. ಎರಡು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ. We can write like this because 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 means Here also reciprocal 3 by 2, and you will get 6 by 4, like that. Reciprocal of this is, will get what? dB by AD is equal to EC by AE. ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Here also both RHS and LHS. Now we add 1 to both sides. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Add 1. So what happens? See, dV by AD is equal to EC by AE plus 1 plus 1. Take down the LCM AD into 1. AD cancel. We have what? dV plus 1 into AD into 1 will get AD. Illos they take down EAE as LCM. AE cancel. EC plus 1 into AE. You observe here dB plus AD total length ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ BA, that we got AD by AD. Similarly here EC plus AE total length will get what? AC by AE. Second one is also actually these two are what? Corollary of BPT. So remember students, BPT can be written in some other ways also, what we have explained earlier. So that we have proved here. This is called corollary of BPT. Corollary means nothing but sub-theorem. That is theorem, you know, sub-theorem. How we can write sides in other ways proportionally. So one question may be asked in the examination like this. I think shall I have this? P, Q, R, MN parallel. They will mention the values A, B and CD. They will give the fill in the blanks like this. You can write down the PPT formula ಬರೀಬೋದು. They will give like this. A by B equals dash. A plus B by A equals dash. A plus B by B equals dash. Very simple. Now write down the answer. A by B means nothing but PM by MQ. Here that side PN by NR. So what is the answer? S tell C by D. Similarly, tell the answer for this. A plus B means total length. PQ
5 minutes.
by A. A plus B. A plus B means PQ by PM. Here also, the total length is PQ. So which is the total length here? PR. So this can be done as what? First C plus D by A. A is smaller triangle upper portion. Here also we take C. For this, A plus B by B, A plus B by B lower portion. A plus B means here also taken full entire side, longer side C plus D. B means here it becomes what? D. So this is the method of this is the method of writing what? BPT corollary other ways.